welcome back. And this is gonna be different because the video file that I just recorded didn't save properly, so I don't have it, and I did all this. So I'm just gonna go over what happened. The Floridians expanded it into some new regions. I did get a new map. They also found out that a bear is a thing. And the Italians started becoming the Roman Empire, and they landed in Tunisia, and then Tunisia declared its independence and started expanding. And a boat from Rome actually went over to Egypt and found out that there was a civilization there. Korea went northwards into owning the entire Korean peninsula, and found out that the Japanese islands are things. That's a quick little summary of what happened, but also a little hint for episode 2. Well, technically this would be 2, but it's episode 1.5. But for episode 2, there's gonna be a famine. And yeah, that's gonna be cool, but that's just a quick, basically a little summary, or a couple minutes long. It's probably not gonna get a lot of views, but thank you for your support with 105 views last, 2 new subscribers, and thank you for all that support. That's 104 more reasons why I will keep doing this. 104 more reasons, and 4 likes, which is another 4 reasons. 2 subscribers, that's another 2 reasons. That's a whopping 110 reasons why I will keep doing this. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.